Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial from Amanda Saladin from Love Life Yarn. And today we're going to be making the Hygge shawl. For this project you're going to need 3 skeins of Red Heart Hygge yarn, and I used 2 of those in the indigo colorway and 1 in pearl, so you just need 2 of your main color and 1 of your contrasting color for the edges and the tassels. And then you will need a size L hook. Okay, pretty large hook. This project works up fast. You can find over 70 free patterns for knit and crochet at my website, love.life.yarn.com. You ready to make this? Let's get started. Okay, so you're going to start out with the basic slip knot, and we're starting from the very top center of the shawl. So make your slip knot any way that you normally do, and then we're going to chain 5. Okay, now we're going to start working into the 5th chain from the hook, so you're going to make a double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. They were always working in the same space, the same chain here. Chain 1 and another double crochet, all in that chain, the 5th chain from the hook. And this is our first row here. That chain 4 at the beginning counts as a double crochet, chain 1. So now we're going to turn, and we're going to chain 4 at the beginning of each of the next rounds. Again, double crochet, chain 1 is what counts at. Now find this chain 1 space from last round, and we're going to do 2 double crochet in there. And chain 1. Whenever you get to the corner here, you're going to work 2 double crochet, and then chain 3, and then 2 double crochet again, right in the same chain 3 space. Chain 1, and now in this last space we're going to chain 2, chain 1, and okay, now you're going to double crochet in this turning chain. Okay, you'll find the 3rd chain on your turning chain, work your way into whichever loop that you like. I like the back loop. Okay, and we're going to repeat this. See how it's starting to make a triangular shape already? You can see just going to work up and down, back and forth, just like this. So now we'll do one more row together, and it's just going to repeat over and over again. So chain 4, work 2 double crochet in your first chain space, and then you'll chain 1, work 2 double crochet into the next chain 1, and as big as it gets you're just going to keep working those 2 double crochet into the chain 1 space and then chaining 1 over and over. Like, it gets pretty big and you just keep working the same thing. Okay, so chain 1 here, we're going to the corner, you'll work the a double crochet 2, and then chain 3, and then work 2 more double crochet in that chain 3 space. So every time you get to the top in a chain 3 space, you work 2 doubles, chain 3, 2 more doubles to turn around that corner. Chain 1 after those last 2 doubles, and you're going to work 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet in this last chain space, chain 1, and right here again in our turning chain, go ahead, and sometimes I have to use my nail because I kind of chain a little tight. And there we go, you can see how this is taking shape. This little tail is always going to be right in the center. And again, you just will chain 4 at the beginning of each one, work into each space. So this first space here, you chain 2 and double crochet, 2 double crochet in each one with a chain in between. Work your corner here, and then work down the other side, and then make sure you double crochet in the turning chain, and it will just keep getting bigger and bigger. So what I did with mine was I worked in the indigo for the entire 2 skeins. I just kept going until I was out of yarn with my 2 skeins, and I switched to the pearl, the contrasting color, for 3 rows. So back and forth, I did 3 just to make a nice contrasting border, and then made the tassels out of the contrasting color and just attached them. So super easy pattern. Hope you enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe to my channel for great video tutorials that'll be coming out weekly. Thanks for watching.